Understanding Battling My Demons, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful and evocative phrase, battling my demons. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used in various contexts. Our goal is to unpack its significance so you can understand and use it confidently in your English conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, battling my demons, refers to a person's struggle against their personal challenges or issues. These demons can be anything from mental health struggles, addictions, fears, or any personal adversities that someone might be facing. The word, battling, suggests a continuous, hard fight, indicating that overcoming these issues is not easy and requires effort and resilience. While the exact origin of battling my demons is difficult to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in the metaphorical use of the word demons to represent personal flaws or vices throughout history and literature. This phrase is used in both formal and informal contexts but carries a tone of seriousness due to the weight of the struggles it describes. To help you understand how to use battling my demons, here are a few examples. He's been battling his demons of addiction for years now. After the accident, she had to battle her demons of fear and anxiety every day. Writing music was his way of battling his demons and finding peace. Discussing battling my demons is important because it acknowledges the struggles many people face silently. It's a phrase that can bring comfort and understanding, showing that personal battles are a common human experience. By talking about our demons, we can foster empathy and support for those around us who are fighting their own battles. Battling my demons is a phrase that touches on the universal theme of struggle and resilience. It's a reminder that we all have our own battles to fight but that we're not alone in fighting them. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of this profound phrase. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is not just about words and grammar, but understanding the emotions and stories behind the phrases we use. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on our channel. Goodbye, and keep learning.